Akshaya Patra, as you know, is an organization which is a charitable organization which is into the single focus of providing a hot, nutritious midday meal to the government school-going child of India. India has always been facing economic crisis at the bottom of the pyramid, so to speak. So the parents tend to pull out the children to do menial jobs which can earn them their own livelihood. They said, let's have a 3-floor building. The topmost floor does all the activities before the cooking is done. The middle floor does the cooking, and the last floor does all the packing and then loads it onto the vehicles.
I'm Devika, and I work with Airborne Innovation Consulting, which is an entrepreneurial innovation consulting firm, and probably one of the oldest innovation consulting firms in the world. Has been in existence since 1992. I think the area that really interests us is what we call orbit shifting innovation, and for us orbit shifting innovation is really where an area that has an extreme or a great need meets an innovator with a desire to create history.
This afternoon is packed full of one-to-ones with Indian companies from Bangalore that has been set up by UK Trade and Investment. I've had my first 2 already, some really good potential contacts, including Ericsson, which is quite exciting to continue a conversation with. So looking forward to a few more across the rest of today, right up until 5:40, I think, back-to-back meetings.
My goal is to find some big friends, influential friends who can help me open Spectrum for my product here in India. I've had some really productive one-to-ones, potentially people who can really help me with my particular goal.
Well, I was chatting to Ollie Barrett about putting together a TechCrunch event as part of Web Mission, and we posted on TechCrunch the day we left on the Saturday, and by the Sunday we sold out about 2 hours later. We had about 200 people turn up at the event today, eventually.
We run a startup called as Gentle Ninja, and we have come here all the way from Chennai, 8 hours travel.
We are running a startup called Eventifier. So what we basically do is we pull content from various social streams, be it Instagram, Flickr, YouTube.
What's out in India right now is e-commerce. It's mobile, it's social, it's location-based, it's everything that's going on in the industry today.
Try to do something else, try to understand local culture, local habits.
India's also moving away from what it used to be like, let's do services for the Western world to let's be a consumer today.
Started Your Story 5 years back in India. So the whole intent was to give a voice to Indian entrepreneurs. There were a lot of startups coming from different parts of the country. Today we've done like 8,000 stories, some 45,000 people read us every day, and we have a huge following in India. So it just validates the growth in the ecosystem, the startup ecosystem in India. It was a special event for us because we saw this as an opportunity to bring some very interesting Indian entrepreneurs, come and meet some of the interesting entrepreneurs who come from London as part of the Web Mission.
I'm a venture partner with Seed Fund. Prior to that, I was founder of another venture fund called Jump Startup. I was investing in US-India companies. Before that, I was an entrepreneur in Silicon Valley. Before that, spent several years with a company called Wipro, handling their businesses in the US, Middle East, Africa, and the Far East. I would say that from the standpoint of brands, on the consumer end, I think there are luxury brands that are visible. But on the technology front, I think there needs to be some more active marketing that the UK needs to do, and I suppose organizations like UKTI are playing a seminal role there.